PSG accused of trying to influence Ballon d'Or outcome in favor of Lionel Messi in legal investigation. Paris Saint-Germain have been accused of lobbying the Ballon d'Or's organizers in order to secure a victory for Lionel Messi. Investigation into PSG officials lobbying organizers. Tried to lobby for Messi to win while at PSG player. Messi won 8th Ballon d'Or in 2023. According to a report in Le Monde, officials at PSG attempted to influence Pascal Ferre, the former editor-in-chief of France Football and organizer of the Ballon d'Or. It is alleged that officials at the Parisian club sought to gain support from Ferre through various favors. The report states that the club were hoping Messi would win the trophy during his time in the French capital. According to Le Monde, the investigation primarily focused on former Director of Communications, Jean-Martial Rives. A report by the General Inspectorate of the National Police from November 2023 says, Rives requested to obtain tickets for PSG football matches by journalists, politicians, elected officials, members of ministerial cabinets, or the presidency artists. If PSG did attempt to gain favor from Ballon d'Or officials, they were unsuccessful. Messi did not win the coveted trophy in his time at the club. Messi became the first player from MLS to win the Ballon d'Or when he was awarded the trophy for his standout 2022-23 season, during which he inspired Argentina's World Cup win in Qatar. Messi joined Inter Miami from PSG in the summer of 2023. The investigation is still ongoing. As for PSG, the club returned to action tomorrow in the French Cup round of 64 on Sunday. However, French champions Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, have been reportedly accused of lobbying the Ballon d'Or organizers to ensure the coveted award went to Lionel Messi during his World Cup winner's time with the club. Argentine skipper Messi spent 2 years in the French capital after leaving his childhood club FC Barcelona in 2021. Messi, who currently plays for Inter Miami in the MLS, holds the record of winning the Ballon d'Or 8 times, the most by any player. For the Unburs, the Ballon d'Or is presented by French news magazine France Football. Messi's stature as GOAT was solidified by his recurring reception of the same, among other factors. When he lifted his 7th Ballon d'Or in 2021, Lille was part of PSG, the most successful team in France. The 65th France Football Ballon d'Or has been awarded to Lionel Messi, winning the prestigious award for a record 7th time. The Paris Saint-Germain striker is continuing to make history. The 34-year-old Argentinian prodigy received the trophy for the Best Footballer of the Year at the Ballon d'Or 2021 ceremony held on Monday, 29 November, at the Théâtre du Châtelet in Paris. A release published on PSG's website on November 30, 2021 said, according to news reports, PSG tried to influence Pascal Ferre, the former editor-in-chief of France Football and organizer of the Ballon d'Or, to ensure Messi won the award while he was part of the Ligue 1 team. A player belonging to their squad winning the award means a lot to football clubs, as it can bring in crucial fortunes in terms of marketing and image. According to French media Le Monde, a judicial investigation opened by the Paris prosecutor's office in 2022 showed that PSG's communications director between 2017 and 2022 Jean-Martial Rives, its owner, the Qatar Sports Investments, QSI, lobbyist Taïb Benabirahman, and former French anti-terrorist police officer turned PSG employee Malik Nate Lyman were the major players involved in affairs surrounding the club. When Jean-Martial Rives' activities were focused, it was learned that Rives requested to obtain tickets for PSG football matches by journalists, politicians, elected officials, members of ministerial cabinets, or the presidency artists, the report said. However, Lionel Messi named to IFF's Men's World Team of the Year starting lineup. The International Federation of Football History and Statistics, IFFS, has placed Lionel Messi as the only Argentine player in the starting lineup of the best team of the year for 2023. Messi, at 36 years old, shares the privilege of being in this selected list with Kevin De Bruyne and Jude Bellingham to lead the midfield.